Wait, go.
Alright, welcome back. I hope you like those commercials. I know what you're saying. What commercials? But that break was a commercial. Sorry we had to take you out during the big finale of her falling you down. But now it's time to go back to Chewbacca's Olympics!
Oh my god. No, I didn't do that. I didn't get that. I didn't do that. Oh my god.
Don't get me over her.
Hey, stop. Oh.
Suicide of that.
I'll be scared.
I'll catch her, don't worry.
Statue.
No. The Olympics.
Whoa!
Trained professional.
Me too. Whoa, wow!